I've learnt lately, if you get an opportunity and it scares you, say yes. I can't believe it. After doing Leon on location a couple of times, now Internet contacted me, ended up doing like a nationwide video for them, showcasing their internet service. Now what's happened is another film crew have contacted me from Find My Country House, and they're doing a video today at 3 of our houses for sale here in Hawke's Bay. How great is that? The famous trampoline is famous again, but what a workout. Napier Road's currently being advertised. We've got the host and we've got 2 potential buyers out looking to purchase here in Hawke's Bay. I might sit here so I look like I'm just watching. So it's been great watching how how professionals do their videos. I'm definitely taking heaps of tips on board. I don't know if I'll go national one day, but hey look, it's good to do a little local channel of what we're doing here in Hawke's Bay at the moment, so yeah, great. So this is Shelley's house, 268 Napier Road. I better not open the door, they might be filming. Bit of filming going on. It's the pro, it's the guy I want to be. It's alright if we had a little chat to you. Man, awesome what you're doing here today.
This is episode 90 of 4 seasons. Basically, honestly, it's like a big road trip. We get on the road, we just hang out in a very small, stinky car for a while. It's a small crew, and we get to know each other really well. Yeah, it's good.
Because I'm doing these probably shows quite a bit now.
Yeah.
Any tips or tricks you reckon I could do to become number
I've
one
seen
like
your
you?
stuff, mate. You're crushing it. You don't need tips from me. I need tips from you for me.
Yeah.
No, you're doing great.
Do you remember him from the Good Morning Show on TV? When you're thirsty, you're thirsty. I tell you what, wouldn't it be great if you bought this house, you got the free car. So now we're videoing the third property at 119 Kaimata Road. It's the last house we're going to be viewing today. We saved the best for last. Yeah, you like this?
That was awesome.
This is my listing. Yeah.
If I had a spare couple of mil.
He's an absolutely great presenter. Straight off the cuff. I'll be that good one day. Chickens and whatnot. Yeah, they have egg competitions, who can get the most eggs from their chickens, because they're right next door. Yeah. All right, I think we're going to go see the pool area now, so we'll show off the main part of the property. That's where you hear it's the little things.
That's one view, obviously, and look, we've got the pool, the deck area, that's incredible. But
mate, I reckon this guy might be a good real estate agent. Should we try and get him on board at Tremaines? He'll come and co-host on Leon on Location. He actually made a new name for the show. He reckons call it Leon on the Loose. He reckons funk it up a little bit. My wife, she says to me like nowadays, like, why don't you dance anymore? I said, look, I'm loose on the lips, not on the hips. Okay, we've just finished with Find My Country House. It was great to witness what the pros do, how they conduct themselves on film, because they're like New Zealand stars. Looking forward to our next episode. I'm gonna try and do something that doesn't involve real estate, something I'll enjoy doing a weekend. So yeah, I look forward to you experiencing what we get up to.